Hi guys, this is Wednesday, April the 12th, and I got a package. I don't know if I hold much hope in this. I decided to go ahead and do an unboxing quick, and then I'll try this on later tonight. And I know you go on, I get an email when it says, you know, your Stitch Fix picks are ready. And you know, they give you so many choices and you pick or you decline. Some of the choices is like, oh man, that's it, you know? So I don't know about this one. I don't know if I hold too much promise in it, but let's take a look. Okay, Stitch Fix number 70. Can you believe it? Same stylist, Rachel, which I kind of like her. Everything in this box is $262. Your 25% discount if you buy it all is minus $65.50. So this whole box is $96.50. So let us see. I just got done walking downtown. Remember I always said how cold it was? It's hot. There's my little bundle. Yeah, it's been in the 80s all week. It was in the 80s on the weekend too. So I am not complaining. Okay. Now this was in my picks, and I don't know. I picked it to try it on, but I think this is 151 Vita Cuffed Patch Pocket Short in magenta. And it is $38. That's pretty cheap for shorts. So here we go. It's supposed to match a top that's in my box here. So, you know how I feel about cuffed shorts. They're kind of they're not soft, but they're not hard. I don't know what to say. They're not jean shorts by any means. So the top that is supposed to go with that is, oh, it's not in here. I thought I was gonna, oh, is this it? I think this is it. Okay, as you can see, this top is Paper Moon Walletta cutout detail blouse in navy, and it is $38. Now, I'm not the greatest person with shoulders, you know, with having my arms out, but this would match those shorts perfect. But my problem is I don't have a strapless bra, and I hate to buy one for one top, but it's probably something that you should always keep. This has some cutouts in front. Can you see them? That's kind of cool. So I guess I would definitely have to invest in one if I get this top. Now here's the shorts. So that shows you how they match. And it does look very nice. I do have a top that's not cut exactly like this, but it is where you have to have a strapless bra. And I've never worn it because I don't have one. So we'll have to see about that. Okay, this is Daniel Rain Airly Button Detail Knit Top in orange. Now, you know Daniel Rain is expensive, so this is $64. And it's not bad. To me, it's not worth $64 to me. I'm not crazy about knit because it's clingy, and I do not like clingy stuff. So this will probably be a no, I'm guessing. Okay, next is, oh, another Daniel Rain Kindle Lace Detail Top in green. Oh, this is the, no, wait a minute. I think I got them mixed up. The orange one is $58 and this is $64. Is this the same thing but a different color? No, it's different. I like the colors because it reminds me of tropical. And it's got some blue in it, so it might look good with some jean shorts. It's not, it don't feel knit, but it kind of feels knit. Not as knitty as that other one. Okay, do I have one more left? One more left. Okay. Michael Kors Becca Tie Detail Tiered blouse in black, $64. You know, Michael Kors is one of my favorites with purses. I like the bottom. See, it's kind of tiered like that. That's kind of neat. I have a black top kind of like this, but it has a zipper right here. And it's kind of tight. So I kind of like this one. We'll have to give that a try. So this looks like a good box. There's nothing I dislike in it except that real knitty top, but if it's not too tight, it wouldn't be bad. So there you have it. I'm going to leave it all in this box till I get ready for bed tonight, and I will try it on then to see if this has anything in it. Welcome to your 70th fix. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on the clothes from your last box. I'm sorry they didn't have the right fit. I see you were able to take a look at this preview of more bright colored tops and bottoms for you to consider adding to your closet. I appreciate that you were able to find five pieces that caught your eye. The magenta shorts will add a pop of color to the black. I never thought of that. I guess that would look cute, wouldn't it? Let's see, you can wear with sandals, sparkly bracelets, blah, blah, blah. You can also slip on the floral print top to go with the shorts and layer on a denim jacket. I wouldn't wear a denim jacket. Okay. Well, that's a thought. Here is the shorts. And if you add the black top, I kind of like that. Okay, well, I have some possibilities here. So I walked, would we walk? Over a mile, I think. So I am really hot. So that's all I have today, my 70th Stitch Fix. And so I will get back with you and let you know what happens. I just noticed my Ren and Stimpy top is back here. Everybody loves Ren and Stimpy. Okay, there you go. I don't know what you think about my hair. It's longer. I kind of like it longer. I do. I get a haircut and color next week, next Wednesday, so I'll see if she can kind of keep it like this. So anyway, that's my thoughts. I'll let you know how it turned out. Obviously, the last Stitch Fix did not work out. I did not keep anything. Actually, by the time I tried everything on, it just didn't work. So you can't tell by just looking at stuff if it's going to work or not. You really do have to try it on. So, all right, there you have it. I will catch you guys later.